In this video, you will learn how to earn $30 per hour just using your phone and nothing else, right? You just need an internet connection, obviously, and it's very simple to understand, and anyone can do it literally from anywhere on the earth. And it's really simple. You can make lots of money using these strategies. If you want to work for more hours, like 2 3 or 5 hours, you can easily make $100 a day. And that, imagine how $100 a day can change your life, right? So you can earn a lot of money using this. And I will also share a strategy with this, which will 10x your income from this method, right? So don't skip the video, I will share it. Also, if you like videos about how to make money online, consider subscribing to my channel and see there are lots of videos on how to make money online. And there are also some videos about business strategy, business mindset, and yeah. So if you're into that and you want to make money and be an entrepreneur and make a full-time income online, then yeah, there are lots of videos that will explain it. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. The website that I'm talking about is clickworker.com, and you can see that you will be given some simple tasks that you have to do on your phone, and yeah, they will pay you for that. And it's really simple, right? So you can have a look over here that it is trusted by some companies that have already have some reputation, like Bloomberg, right? So yeah, so now what you need to do is earn money as a click worker, right? And click on it, and then you will see this page where they will ask you to sign up. Now what it is, so click worker is always looking for internet users worldwide, right, who can participate in various things. And click worker is absolutely free of charge, right? So yeah, you just need an internet connection, right? So when you click on sign up button, you will see this sign up page where you can see that you can select your country of residence, right? If you live in India like I do, or you live in United States or Kingdom, right, go ahead and select that, right? So yeah, so you will be asked to fill your personal data and such, right? So let's have a look over here. What are they saying about themselves? That there are no hidden cost or fees, right? So there is no sign up fee, right? So you need an internet connection, right? No formal qualifications are necessary. You will receive payment once you have earned $10. Your balance never expires, right? So yeah, once you earn $10, you will be receiving your payments, and that's really simple, right? There is no gift cards, no nothing, right? You will just get your payment in your PayPal account. So this is really good about this website. And yeah, so we take your online security very seriously and never give up your information to third party. So that's good about this website. Now you need to fill all this information, and yeah, so do that and sign up over here so that you can start working as a click worker, right? So I'm not going to do that right now in the video. It's a lengthy process, but you do that. And yeah, I don't want to waste your time, right? So let's move on and see what exactly you're going to be doing, right? Right. So when we scroll down over here, right, so what are types of jobs are there? So here you will get a brief overview of the various job types, right? So this is text creation, right? And yeah, so you need to create informative text, product descriptions, like that. So let's have a look at what it is about, right? So yeah, so what are they saying? Are you someone who enjoys jotting down things, right? So yeah, so they are looking for text writers, right? They can create texts based on a template or a predefined topic. So you will be given topic, you don't have to think for yourself, right? And yeah, you just need to write descriptions of cities, hotels, and softwares or fashion items. So the variety of topics are limitless, right? And yeah, it always depends on your current job situation. So it's really very simple, right? And it's not going to be overcomplicated. And yeah, so yeah, these types of things, some people are lazy and yeah, they don't want to do it, or they want to outsource it. So what they do is they pay certain amount of money to anyone who wants to do this for them, right? So there are lots of work like this, and yeah, so you will be paid to do that, and there is n number of work available for this. So don't even worry about not getting an opportunity, right? So yeah, so this is where you will, what this is what you will be doing when you are asked to write texts, right? All right, now categorization. Now categorization, let's have a look. Categorize the data of the websites, right? So it is really good. This actually pays a lot. Research one pays a lot, right? And app testing pays a lot. So yeah, right. So data categorization. So what happens in data categorization? Some part-time jobs are strenuous, right? So you know what you're going to do is you're going to analyze the videos and photos and documents, and you are going to just classify them. Like let's say you watched a comedy video, so it is a comedy video, right? So you're going to classify that video as comedy video. That's simple as that. Just watch a bit of the video and you will understand what type of video it is. And yeah, so literally it takes very less time to do that, right? By watching certain parts of the videos, and you can just classify it. So it's really simple. And yeah, you will be asked to evaluate the content of websites, right? Search results, right? And yeah, so this is really very simple task that you can do in your free time and anywhere, and there is no foundation at all. You get paid for the work you do, and there, in 9 to 5 job you have to stay there for 9 to 5, but over here you can do it for half an hour, 1 hour. It doesn't matter, as long as you complete the tasks. You can do it, you can choose to do it or not do it. So there is freedom of time over here. So it's really great. You can use your spare time to do this, right? Let's have a different so copy editing. So copy editors check corrected text, right? So yeah, let's have a look at this also. And proofreading. So proofreading is where you will check for spelling mistakes or grammar, right? And all that thing, right? So if you're into that, you can do that. You just have to go through some content, paragraph or an article, and just proofread it, and if there is no mistake, then yeah, life is easier for you, right? And you'll get paid, right? So what is copy editors? So we are looking for copy editors who can edit short texts and yeah, to the given topic, and that's it, right? So description of products or cities, like that. So it doesn't require much of work, right? Surveys, as you know, I don't think this is a very good method to make money, because these are never really very good methods. But you can check out the other methods over here. So yeah, surveys just asks for opinion and mystery visit. So this is something new, and it depends from place to place, right? So let's have a look at this. So what are you going to do is, if you have an phone if you have a phone, and you are just strolling around the shop or a mall, right, in your hometown, and then what you got to do is just click photos of that restaurant or shops, right? And yeah, so why do people do that? Because they want some photos of the restaurants, right? Maybe they want to look at the placement of shelves, and what items they have or what they are serving, right? So the competitors will actually pay you to visit their competition and get the snapshots of what they are actually doing, how their shop looks, right? What products or what items they have at the at that point of time where when they gave you this job, right? So it's really simple. If you are near that area, then you can definitely accept this and go visit a shop and just click a few photos and make money, right? So it's really as simple as that. Now app testing is really simple and also pays a lot. So as an app job, right? App tester. What you're going to do is you're going to test a website or an application. Let's say this is the website that you are going to test. So you can say, okay, this button does not work or this button does not work. Then you can report it, right? So yeah, that is what they want from you. So you will just go to the website and say that this record your video and say that this button does not work, that button does not work, or I am unable to understand what is going on in the website, like that. So you'll be giving the feedback, and that's good, right? So yeah, photo capturing is the same. You'll just make some short audios and videos as per the script, right? So all these things are there in Clickworker website where you can earn money. Now I will share the secret, the 10x, the method to 10x your income on this website, and that is to go for categorization of websites, that is data scraping, right? Not data scraping, but yeah, looking at the content and categorize it. And there are lots and millions and billions of content out there, even in YouTube, right? So don't worry, and it pays a lot as well. So categorization pays a lot, research pays a lot. So research, where you search for data and addresses of other companies, email address, it's like data scraping. So this one is data scraping. And yeah, you provide a list of, let's say, 50 companies, right? 50 companies with the owner name and the email addresses. That's what it is, right? So you make a list and then send it to them, and you will get paid. So they pay a lot for this, and they pay a lot for app testing also. So it's really simple. So what you got to do to 10x your income on this website is to go to categorization, research, and app testing. So these are the most important ones out of all the 9 methods shown over here. So yeah, so I hope this video had you know provided you some value, and if it did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you get more updates on how to make money online and yeah, strategize your way and earn some money in your free time. So yeah, so this video, I hope it was informational, and yeah, it provided you some information. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.